I got asked today, how do I build confidence? How do I trust myself when I'm taking on new challenges in life? Here we go. What's up, legend? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, helping you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. Confidence is kind of a tricky thing. It feels like you need to build it before you can do a task. But really, it comes from taking on and failing many times at things, at tasks, whatever it is. You have to fail to gain learnings about what actually works and what doesn't, really. Like, you can pretend that you do it all through successes and like, I'm just gonna learn through these successes, but really, and this is nothing new, your biggest lessons come from when you failed. And when there's like an emotion attached to it, like, oh wow, I really messed that up. I regret that. I wish I didn't do it that way. Maybe I could have done it better. And whatever those thoughts are, like, if you take those and, as I've said before, you wrap it with gratitude of like, I did it though, I tried, I did something, and it might have sucked, I might have got my heart broken or whatever it is, but I can look back at it and I can say, okay, now I know. Now I know more about myself. Now I know what I do want in my life, what I don't want in my life. And we can do that through successes too. And yet we often don't. We kind of just let it blissfully go by. Some of us are more astute than others. If you've got this mastered, please let me know how you do it. A lot of times though, when I succeed, I don't really like break it down and contemplate what happened. And I don't get really fine detailed on like the things that I should change and could change to make it better. It often comes in through when I've attempted the task and just miserably fallen on my face or got really embarrassed about something. And I remember when I first made the boss mod program, which is on YouTube. It's teaching personality types through gaming conventions, right? Through elves and dwarves, elves as the introverted aspects and dwarves as the extroverted aspects. And it was cool. I made this awesome, I thought it was awesome at the time, my first attempt at making a program video course. And I'm so embarrassed to say this, which is why I'm going to say it. I had it all set up. I had it for like, I'm going to sell it for $10 or something like that, which was, lower than it probably could have been. And it's like, I'm going to do it. And I put it on Reddit. I put it on the Reddit/games, like subreddit. But what I had done is I typed it in and I fell asleep midway and pressed send unknowingly. And I woke up in the morning, like, got some flame and stuff like that. You think people are gonna buy this? You think this is, who cares? So inventive, like, ooh, innovative, that's great. You talked about elves and dwarves, like, who cares? Like, Reddit can be harsh. I understand that. And I took that as a failure. And what I also did is I learned to kind of craft my message more. I learned to be a bit more careful with it. I learned to try again as well. If I would have taken it as I failed and that's it, there's nothing else I can do about it, then that would have been a failure. I've talked about this before too. It's a matter of failing and then bringing in the learnings and making it a complicated success. Right? You're gonna fail, you're gonna mess it up, that's okay. Learn from it. And the bigger you fail, the more success you can have in your life. Just want to point out, I'm not talking about life or death things. I'm talking about normal stuff that we deal with. Right? If you gotta fight a tiger or something like that, like, please don't be like, I'm gonna fail this and see what I learn, okay? Bring some common sense into it, of course, but I just feel like I need to need to end things with that. So I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please let me know down below in the comments what was helpful for you, what rang true, and have a great day. Keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace.